Friends, how are you all? I wish all are fine. Today, I would like to sharing with you some amazing thing for your improvement of English. So, today I'm discuss about some words, how to use exact pronunciations this particular words. Let's get start. Most of the word we have found, sometimes some alphabet has been silent. So today I will refer lots of word which is silent in case of G. When G was silent, that first of all, sign, S-I-G-N, sign. Here this sign G was totally silent, S-I-G-N, sign. If you used S-I-G-N, sign, this is totally wrong. The correct word is S-I-G-N, sign. Sign is 100% pure and true. And number 2, C-H-A-M, chem, P-A-G-N-E, camping. Here the G is totally silent. C-H-A-M, chem, P-A-G-N-E, campaign. And number 3, G-N-O-W. Here G is totally silent, no. The pronunciation is no. G-N-A-W, no. And number 4, R-E-I-G-N, region. Here G is totally silent. R-E-I-G-N, region. Region is totally wrong. Here spelling is R-E-I-G-N, rain. And number 5, T-H-O-U-G-H, though. Here G, in case of though, the G is totally silent. The pronunciation is T-H-O-U-G-H, though. Next, when the B was silent, there are lots of words when the B was silent. First of all, C-L-I-M-B, not climb. This is climb. Next, C-O-M-B, comb. Not, this is not comb. This is comb. And thirdly, C-R-U-M-B-S, cramps. No, this is wrong. And the right words is cramps. And number 4, D-E-B-T, debt. Debt is totally wrong. This is that. D-E-B-T, that. Then next, D-O-U-B-T, this is not doubt. This is doubt. D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Next, when the K was silent, lot of words we found when K was silent. Likewise, K K-N-E-A-D, not canid. This is need. K-N-E-A-D, need. Secondly, K-N-I-F-E, not canif. This is nif, and nif is totally wrong. Right. K-N-I-F-E, nif. And thirdly, K-N-I-G-H-T. This is not canite. This is night. K-N-I-G-H-T, night. Next, K-N-O-C-K. This is not canok. This is knock. K-N-O-C-K, knock. And lastly, K-N-O-T, not. And K-N-O-T, not is totally right. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you all, and I will meet another videos. Thank you all.